Hello and welcome to this short video. Over the next few minutes, we'll highlight one of the new integrations in AgilePoint NX7 Software Update 1 for UiPath to provide end-to-end automation across any system. We'll start the video with a quick look at our UiPath process, which is meant to capture data from an AgilePoint business application and write that data to two systems without an API, a WinForm application and a website. If I move over to my AgilePoint environment, we can take a look at our business application. This manages the tax controversy process where a retailer may have a dispute with the government. Once a new controversy has been logged, it will be reviewed by a supervisor. Upon approval, we will assemble a document using the data captured by the application, send that for digital signature via DocuSign, and then invoke a UiPath robot. As you can see here on the left-hand side in my stencil, I have 4 dedicated activities for UiPath: adding an item to the queue, getting queue item status, starting a job, and getting job status. So let's take a quick look at how we've integrated UiPath with my business application. If I click on the Item Information tab here, I can see how we've mapped data from our data source, in this case, a standard SQL database, over to RPA. So I've dragged and dropped the data from my data source here over to my field names, and this will enable AgilePoint to pass the application data over to my robot. Now let's take a look at this application in runtime. This application can be launched from a custom landing page built on top of my AgilePoint portal. And to kick the process off, I'll click the button for Launch New Controversy. Now what I have here is a responsive form that's HTML5 and jQuery. And to populate the data on the form, I'm going to attach an Excel document. As you can see here, we've extracted all of the values from my Excel sheet and pre-populated the form. Optionally, I can attach additional documents as well as add comments, but for now, let's just click Submit. So I'm going to move over to my inbox here, and I should have a task waiting for me. During this step, I'm going to play the role of a supervisor. Optionally, I can change some of the values on the form here, or simply approve and move the process forward. Now that we've approved that step here, AgilePoint behind the scenes is assembling a document using the application data captured by my process. And in just another moment, I'll have a task waiting to apply my signature via DocuSign. There we go. After applying my signature here, we've built in a 30-second delay, really not a required step on our end, just to help with the pacing for our presentation to a prospect or a partner. Now that I've applied my signature, in just another moment, my robot will take over and write the data that was passed from AgilePoint over to the two systems that we mentioned. Starting off here with the WinForm application, as you can see, all of the data captured by my AgilePoint application is now being written by UiPath to these external systems. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.